You're not addicted to food, you're disconnected from it. And that disconnection is what's silently destroying your body, your energy, and your self-worth. We've been conditioned to believe that weight loss is about restriction, about willpower. But what if I told you it's not about starving yourself? What if it's about listening to yourself? This isn't another diet fad. It's about reclaiming something you've lost. A connection so profound, it will change the way you see food forever. For years, I struggled with my weight. I tried every diet, every pill, every quick fix. I was caught in a cycle of shame and self-loathing. It wasn't until I discovered mindful eating that things began to shift. Mindful eating isn't about deprivation, it's about awareness. It's about reconnecting with the joy of eating, with the nourishment that food provides. See, we're born very intuitive eaters. That is why babies cry when they're hungry, and then they stop when they're full. Somewhere along the way, we lose that innate wisdom. We start eating for all the wrong reasons. Mindful eating is about reclaiming that birthright. It's about learning to listen to your body's cues again. It's about bringing awareness to every bite. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about learning to love and accept yourself one bite at a time. We live in a world that's constantly telling us to eat. Television commercials, social media feeds, billboards, they're all designed to make us crave food even when we're not hungry. But here's the thing. True hunger is a physical sensation. It's a rumbling in your stomach, a slight dip in your energy levels. It's your body's way of saying, I need fuel. Emotional hunger, on the other hand, is different. It's triggered by stress, by boredom, by loneliness. We eat to numb out, to fill a void that has nothing to do with physical hunger. And you know what? That's okay. We've all been there. The first step to healing our relationship with food is to acknowledge these patterns, to recognize the difference between physical hunger and emotional hunger. Let me share with you the 5 pillars of mindful eating. These are the tools that help me break free from the cycle of emotional eating, and they can help you too. The first pillar is awareness. Before you even take a bite, pause. Take a moment to check in with yourself. Are you truly hungry, or are you reaching for food out of habit, boredom, or stress? The second pillar is eliminating distractions. Turn off the TV, put down your phone, and step away from your computer. When you eat, just eat. Give your food your full attention. The third pillar is slowing down. Our modern world encourages us to rush through everything, including our meals. But when we eat quickly, our brains don't have time to register fullness. We end up eating more than we need, and we still feel unsatisfied. So slow down. Chew your food thoroughly. Savor each bite. The fourth pillar is engaging your senses. Pay attention to the colors, the textures, the aromas of your food. Really taste what you're eating. The fifth and final pillar is honoring your fullness. One of the most powerful things you can do is learn to stop eating before you're completely full. Aim for a feeling of comfortable satisfaction, about 80% full. The domino effect, how mindful eating changed everything. When I first started practicing mindful eating, I'll be honest, I was skeptical. I thought, how could something so simple actually make a difference? But I was desperate. I was tired of feeling out of control around food. I was tired of hating my body. So I decided to give it a try. And slowly but surely, things started to change. I started losing weight, yes. But more importantly, I started feeling better. I had more energy, my digestion improved, my skin cleared up. But the most profound change was in my relationship with myself. I started to treat myself with more kindness and compassion. I began to appreciate my body for all that it does for me. Mindful eating wasn't just about food, it was about healing my relationship with myself. We fall, we rise. Mindful eating isn't about perfection. Now let me be clear, mindful eating isn't about being perfect. There are going to be days when you eat an entire bag of chips while binge watching your favorite show. And that's okay. We're not aiming for perfection here. We're aiming for progress. The important thing is to approach this journey with self-compassion. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up about it. Simply acknowledge it, learn from it, and move on. Tomorrow is a new day, a fresh start. One of the things that helped me was identifying my triggers. What situations, emotions, or even times of day made me more likely to eat mindlessly? Once I knew my triggers, I could start to develop strategies for dealing with them in a healthier way. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be bumps in the road, But with each mindful bite, with each act of self-compassion, you are moving closer to a healthier, happier you. One mindful bite, your journey starts now. You don't have to wait for the perfect time to start practicing mindful eating. You don't need to wait until Monday or until you've bought all the right foods. You can start right now, in this very moment. The next time you sit down to eat, I invite you to pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, am I truly hungry? If the answer is yes, then savor every bite, engage your senses, and eat with intention. If the answer is no, then simply acknowledge that. It's okay to not be hungry. The more you practice, the easier it will become. You will start to notice subtle cues from your body that you may have been ignoring for years. You will begin to develop a deeper understanding of your own unique hunger and fullness signals. This is a journey of self-discovery, and it all starts with one mindful bite. Your transformation begins now. Join the movement. If this spoke to your heart, don't scroll away, comment, and subscribe. Your relationship with food is about to change forever. We're in this together. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming your life. Check our description down below this video to get tools and products that can assist you in this journey. This journey is about living with more joy, more energy, and more self-love. Take a deep breath, friend. You've got this.